Hey there, Snapchat users. If you're watching this in 2025 and your camera is stuck zoomed in, making your snaps look weird or unusable, don't worry, I've got you covered. This quick fix guide will have you back to perfect selfies and stories in no time. First off, let's talk about why this happens. It could be due to a recent app update glitch, incorrect phone settings, or even a temporary software bug that's common with apps like Snapchat. Luckily, these issues are usually easy to resolve with a few simple steps. Step 1. Start by updating your Snapchat app. In 2025, Snapchat is rolling out new features, so head to your App Store, whether it's Google Play or the Apple App Store, and check for updates. Tap Update if available, then reopen the app and see if the problem persists. If that doesn't work, move on to Step 2. Check your phone's camera permissions. Go to your device settings, find the Apps section, select Snapchat, and ensure that camera access is fully enabled. Sometimes, permissions get reset after an update. Next, try restarting your phone. It's a classic fix that works wonders for minor glitches. Hold down the power button, select Restart, and let your device refresh. Once it's back on, open Snapchat and test the camera. If it's still zoomed in, proceed to Step 4. Clear the app's cache. For Android users, go to Settings, Apps, Snapchat, Storage, Clear Cache. iOS users might need to offload the app or reset settings through the general menu. This removes temporary files that could be causing the issue. Finally, if nothing else works, consider resetting Snapchat's settings within the app. Go to your profile, tap the settings gear, and look for account or app reset options, but be careful, as this might log you out. In 2025, Snapchat has improved its troubleshooting tools, so keep an eye out for any built-in diagnostics. There you have it. By following these steps, your camera should be back to normal. Remember, tech issues like this are common, so stay patient and tech-savvy. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.